So, warm welcome to one and all present over here. Today, we are going to start a new chapter known as circles, basic and chord properties. So, what we're going to learn today, understand the basic and chord properties of circle, learning the angle properties of circle. So, starting with the first one, what is circle? The collection of all points on a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point on the plane. Collection of all the points. Have you seen the points? Collection of all the points which are at a fixed distance, which are at a fixed or constant distance from a fixed point on the plane. This is known as circle. The fixed point is known as center and the fixed distance is known as radius. So this is known as center and this is radius. Center and radius. Now a circle divides the plane into three parts: exterior, interior and the boundary. The interior and the boundary region is known as circular region. The interior and the boundary of the circle is known as circular region. The length of the complete boundary is known as circumference. The length of the complete boundary is known as circumference. What happens when we join any 2 points on the boundary of circle? The joining of any 2 points on the circle, the line segment becomes a chord. The line segment that join any 2 points on the circle is the chord of circle. This is the chord of the circle. PQ is a chord of the circle. We can draw how many chords? We can draw infinitely many chords in a circle. We can draw infinitely many chords in a circle. Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. A semicircle is formed by cutting the whole circle along the diameter. It means diameter divides the circle into two equal parts known as semicircle. Semicircle number 1, semicircle number 2. Diameter equals to twice into radius. Diameter equals to twice into radius. Diameter equals to twice into radius. We can draw infinitely many diameters. How many diameters we can draw? Infinitely many diameters we can draw. We can draw infinitely many diameters. Okay. Clear? Now talking about arc and segment. The portion of circumference between the 2 points is known as arc. Means this is minor arc, this is minor arc and this is major arc. The region between the chord of either arc is called as segment. Diagram तो नहीं बनाया इसने यार. हाँ देखो ये है ना color. Now see, the red portion is known as major arc, violet portion is known as minor arc. Now segment, this is minor segment and this one, the upper one is major segment. Clear? The region between the chord and the arc is known as segment and the portion of circumference is known as arc. Sector, the region between the radius and the arc is known as sector. This is minor sector and the upper one is major sector. Clear? When two arcs, when the two arcs are equal and each arc is a semicircle, when two arcs are equal and each arc is semicircle, then the both segment become a semicircular region. मतलब ये वाला segment और ये वाला segment यदि equal हो जाएगा, so it becomes a semicircular region. ठीक है? Now, statement number 1, equal chords of a circle subtends equal angle at the center. If in a circle whose center is O, AB and CD are the chords and chords are equal chords. If chords are equal, then angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Now, how to prove this? How to prove angle AOB equals to angle COD? In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AB equals to CD, given chords are equal, AO equals to CO radius, OB equals to OD. So by SSS criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, AOB equals to COD by CPCT. Clear? Now, statement number two. If the angles subtended by the chords at center are equal, then the chords are equal. Vice versa. अब ये वाले angles equal दिए हैं, chords को prove करना है equal. ठीक है? If angles are equal, then chords are equal. So how what to prove? AB equals to CD. Similarly, देखो AO is equals to OC, OB equals to OD, and angle AOB equals to angle COD. तो by side angle side criteria, by side angle side आएगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे side angle side criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, AB is equals to CD by CPCT. AB is equals to CD by CPCT. AB equals to CD by CPCT. चलो, moving on further, revisiting theorem. If chords are equal, then angles are equal. Converse, if angles are equal, then chords are equal. Clear? Question के लिए I will give you the time. Don't worry. Now, question number one, question number two. Now, next theorem. Prove that perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord. It means we have to prove AM equals to MB. So, in triangle AOM and BOM, angle AMO is equals to BMO 90 degree. OA equals to OB radius, and OM common side. So, by which criteria? By RHS criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, AM equals to MB by CPCT. So OM bisects AB, hence the theorem is proved. Clear? The line segment joining the midpoint of a chord to the center of circle is perpendicular to the chord. Second thing, पहला statement क्या था? Perpendicular from center to the chord. इसका converse है ये. Now what we have to prove? OM is perpendicular to AB. Converse. ठीक है, इसके पहले कुछ था और अभी कुछ है. ठीक है, vice versa. So proof क्या करना है? Angle AMO and BMO 90 degree. Join OA and OB. So in triangle AOM and triangle BOM, AO is equals to OB radius, OM equals to OM common side, and AM equals to MB. So by which criteria? By SSS criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Therefore क्या? Angle AMO is equals to BMO by CPCT. दोनों का sum 180 by linear pair. If both are equal, therefore angle AMO plus angle AMO equals to 180 degree. Twice of angle AMO is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, the value of angle AMO equals to 90. That is, OM is perpendicular to AB. So the line segment joining the midpoint of a chord to the center of circle is perpendicular to the chord. Hence, the theorem is proved. ठीक है? तो revisiting the theorem, ध्यान से देखो. If OM bisects AB, OM bisects AB, then OM is perpendicular to AB. It means AM यदि MB के बराबर है, AM MB के बराबर है, तो OM क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर है. यदि OM परपेंडिकुलर है, तो AM MB के बराबर है. ठीक है? फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करेंगे प्रैक्टिस के लिए. नाउ थ्योरम नंबर 3. The line segment joining the midpoint of a chord to the center of circle is perpendicular to the chord. ध्यान से देखो. The line segment joining the midpoint. The line segment joining the midpoint of a chord to the center of circle is perpendicular to the chord. Means, what is the meaning of this? The line segment joining the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the center of circle. Of a chord to the center of circle is perpendicular to the chord. It means ये वाला एंगल 90 होना चाहिए. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. देखो अब, if chords are equal, AB equals to CD, then OM equals to ON. This is the theorem. If chords are equal, then OM equals to ON. कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे? देखो, equal chords are equidistant from the center. Chords are given equal. We know that OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. ये कहाँ से आया? अभी जस्ट हमने इसके पहले थ्योरम प्रूफ की थी. The line segment joining the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular, ठीक है, to the point that passes through the center. Now OM equals to ON प्रूफ करना है. ये वाले डिस्टेंस इक्विडिस्टेंट है if chords are equal. ये कैसे हुआ? दोनों परपेंडिकुलर, तो M is the midpoint of AB, N is the midpoint of CD. ठीक है. Now what is given? Chords are given equal and OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. हमको प्रूफ क्या करना है? OM equals to ON. देखो अब, angle OMB and ONC is 90 degree. M is the midpoint of AB and N is the midpoint of CD. So half of, where chords are equal, तो उनके half भी equal होंगे. Therefore MB equals to NC. चलो अब talking about these two triangles, triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. OM equals to ON radius. This angle and this angle is 90 degree. And ये वाली साइड, ये तो हमको प्रूफ करना है ना. OM ON तो ये ले नहीं सकते. देखो, OC equals to OB radius, OB equals to OC radius, ठीक है. NC equals to MB, because chords are equal then their halves are equal and angle 90 degree. तो कौन सा क्राइटेरिया लगेगा यहाँ पे? बताओ. Right angle hypotenuse side. The two triangles are congruent, therefore ये वाला OM equals to ON are equal by CPCT. ठीक है. OM equals to ON by CPCT. So equal chords are equidistant from the center. अब इसका vice versa. If chords are equidistant from the center, then they are equal in length. प्रूफ क्या करना है? chords को इक्वल बताना है. अब क्या गिवन है? OM इक्वल्स टू ON दिया है. तो वही ट्राइंगल लेंगे. OM इक्वल्स टू ON, एंगल OMB इक्वल्स टू ONC 90 डिग्री, और OC equals to OB radius. So by which criteria? Again by RHS criteria. NC equals to MB by CPCT. ठीक है. MB equals to NC by CPCT, उसका डबल कर लेंगे. Therefore AB equals to CD. The chords which are equidistant from the center are equal in length. अब if chords are equal, then they are equidistant from the center. If they are equidistant from the center, then chords are equal. ठीक है. उसके बेसिस पे ये क्वेश्चन है, हम लोग क्वेश्चन करेंगे. समरी. अब हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा एक बार फिर से फटाफट, देन क्वेश्चन हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे इसके बाद. इक्वल कॉर्ड सब्सटेंस, इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर. इफ एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर आर इक्वल, देन द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल. ठीक है. कॉर्ड्स इक्वल है तो एंगल इक्वल. यदि एंगल इक्वल है सेंटर वाले, तो कॉर्ड्स इक्वल. थ्योरम नंबर 1 और उसका कन्वर्स. थ्योरम नंबर 2, इफ OM बाइसेक्ट्स AB, मतलब OM मतलब AM is equals to MB है, it means OM is perpendicular to AB. Second thing, उसका converse, perpendicular from center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. यदि ये perpendicular है तो bisect कर रहा है. OM bisects AB, it means AM equals to MB. ठीक है. अब थ्योरम नंबर 3, equal chord substance, equal chords are equidistant from the center. If chords are equal, therefore OM equals to ON. इसका कन्वर्स, if they are equidistant then chords are equal. Okay,